Dear friends, welcome to Comat. Today we are going to discuss the topic functions of marketing. In the last class, we understood that different concepts of marketing illustrate different functions of marketing. Still, there are some activities which are unanimously accepted among the marketing researchers as the functions of marketing. In this class, we can discuss such functions of marketing. Functions of marketing means some actions or services undertaken by the marketers by which the original producer and the final consumers are interlinked. Functions of marketing may be classified into four. First categories of marketing functions are called functions of research. Second group of functions are categorized as functions of exchange. A third category of functions are named as functions of physical supply, and the final sets of functions are called as facilitating functions. Now we can discuss the first category of marketing function, that is functions of research. Marketing begins with the functions of research. The functions of research consist of marketing research and product planning and development. Marketing research is the intelligence service of an organization which helps in analyzing the buyer's habits, preferences, product image, etc. A systematic product planning and development is essential for to match the product with customers' requirements. The second group of marketing function is functions of exchange. Functions of exchange are the functions undertaken during the process of passing goods into consumers' hands. Functions of exchange includes number one, buying. Buying is the act of purchasing of raw materials or finished goods by the manufacturers or traders. Second function of exchange is assembling. Assembling is the process of collecting and concentrating goods of the same type from different sources at one place. The third and final function of exchange is selling. It is the process of transferring goods and ownership to the customers for money or money value. The third function of marketing is functions of physical supply. Functions of physical supply are the functions related with creation of place and time utilities. Functions of physical supply include number one, transportation. It refers to the physical movement of goods from the point of origin to the point of consumption, that is, from the producer to the consumers. Second function of physical supply is storage and warehousing. Storage means holding and preserving goods from production to purchase by consumers. Storage function is facilitated by warehouses. The last function of physical supply is packaging. Packaging includes all activities which facilitate protection of goods, identify from rival products, and establish brand images. The last set of marketing function is facilitating functions. These are the functions helping all other functions of marketing or the primary functions of marketing such as buying, selling, transportation, etc. Facilitating functions include number one, standardization. It means establishing certain standards for products on the basis of quality, color, size, durability, security, etc. Number two, grading. Grading is the grouping of standard products into certain classes. Number three is branding. Branding is the process of giving means of identification. Next one is pricing. Pricing is the process of fixing exchange value in terms of money. Then the next facilitating function is financing. It helps in providing adequate and cheap finance for performing various marketing functions. The sixth one is risk bearing. Risk bearing is the function of reducing the possibility of loss due to unfavorable happenings in the future. The last facilitating function is promotion. Promotion includes all communications that influence or persuade or motivate consumers to purchase products. Thank you.